But it was a decision, admittedly decision of the BJP, that they closed down the mining in Goa. Without even distinguishing between the legal operations, the irregular operations and the illegal operations. And it was demand, at least I in person had done this number of times. And what was required was to create these compartments, find out those operators who were doing totally illegal business and ban them, stop them. Give time to those who were indulging in some irregularities but not illegalities. When the mining stopped, down the line hundreds of other operations, economic activities also came to stand still. Truck owners lost their business. The barge owners lost this business. Truck operators, truck drivers, truck cleaners, truck mechanics. And so also barge mechanics, barge cleaners, barge stevedores, and all these people who were serving this industry, they lost all their financial activities. They lost their sources of income. All around those villages. Today they are left high and dry. That loss, if computed properly, will be around 25,000 crores a year. Indirect loss. And BJP must own up the misery that they have brought down to the people of Goa by passing a reckless, rash, indecent order of banning this activity. What has happened to those 35,000 crores which the BJP government said has been siphoned away by the illegal activities in mining? And they had told people of Goa, elect us and we will recover those 35,000 crores. And they had said that we know who has indulged in illegalities. They were naming MLAs and they were naming ministers and they were naming the industrialists. In a month they had said that we will put them behind the bars.